So now what?
I've been looking at our list, Jim. I think we forgot something very important.
What is that?
We need a ship.
We don't need a ship. We're not pirates in the sail around and steal things sense. We're more pirates in the romantic sense.
Romantic? Shiver me timbers, I forgot all about Liz.
Who's Liz? You've been flirting on the job again. Nice work.
I was so worried about lifting me curse, I forgot completely about our date. Oh no!
What?
She's coming! Now!
Now? Yeah, I'm gonna leave you to this one.
Wait, Liz! I'm sorry.
Okay.
And here I was worried that wouldn't work.
Of course it worked, Jojo. Who could resist an adorable face like this?
You know, silly goose, I feel horrible for what I did. I want to make it up to you.
Okay.
Let's go on an adventure.
Where will we go?
Wherever the winds take us. Now where be those car keys?
See, Barbados, you had nothing to worry about. Oh, look at that, you're even holding her hand. Oh, look at them. Oh, look, they're getting up. Walking to the car. They must have left something in the car. Now he's opening the door for her. Now he's walking around it. They're stealing my car! My car! My car! Bring back my car!
Liz!
You idiot!
Liz!
What are you doing here? My car!
Liz!
What are you doing here?
Trying to save my true love from a pirate, thank you very much.
Wait, that was the girl you were talking about?
Yes?
Wait. You're never gonna get her back. Barbados has a magical earring that attracts all women to him.
Yeah, why should I trust you, pirate?
Are you still sore about what I did earlier? I only ditched you because you're a stupid, ugly, horrible person. Don't take it personally.
I be Captain Vanderdecken. I be in search of my magical earring I lost many years ago.
I'll know who has it.
Are you sure your friend is okay with you taking his card?
Of course. Jim and I have a little saying. Gals before pals. Or something like that. Is that a hurricane?
Nice earring you got there.
Do I know you?
I don't fancy you do, even though you should. I be Captain Vanderdecken.
Captain Vanderdecken be dead. He died nearly 300 years ago. I stole this earring from his mausoleum when I was but a small child.
I believe the correct term is undead. I was cursed off the Cape of Good Hope nearly 3 centuries gone, and I've come to reclaim what be rightfully mine.
I've been cursed myself, and I still find that difficult to believe. And besides, if he be really Captain Vanderdecken, what use would ye have of a magical earring that attracts women? You have no use for it because you're not Captain Vanderdecken, and you're not going to intimidate me into giving you my earring.
One can always explain away the truth. Try explaining this.
You used the magical earring to get me to like you?
Sweet mutton chops, lad, you didn't tell her?
You heard all that?
So long, sucker. Enjoy your hurricane. I brought it just for you.